Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the Prime app. So once you are logged in, this is a screen you'll be seeing, and once you are here, this is assumed that you already have made an account. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Load Setlist. Once you are here, you're going to see My Set Lists and Shared with Me. Now, if you are a team member, you want to go to Shared with Me. So you want to click on that. And then you're going to see the actual set list made by the master account holder. So you want to click on this. As you can see here, there is a bar that has showed up, and that means it's downloading at this time. Alright, once it's downloaded, you want to click on it again just in case it hasn't loaded. So you want to click on it, and then you want to let it load here. As you can see some of the songs on the set list, and to just go through the songs, in this example we only have 2 songs on here, and then we're just going to click play.